Hey guys, Black Hawk here. Did you notice the difference? Wow, this is now what we can call a mining room. Everything is in order now. As you can see, all the hardware that is not used yet is here. Yeah, computers around here. So I have cleaned the tables. But there is one thing missing. Of course, we need a test bed. This is where all the magic happens. So in this video, we are going to build a test bed because we want to test some GPUs, guys. I've been busy yesterday. I've bought some stuff. As you can see, keyboard and mouse, some PDUs, some this is a thermometer. It measures ambient temperature and humidity, some internet cable, and of course, very important, power meter. Okay, for our test bed we will need PSU, of course. We're going to use this PSU just because I don't want to open any new ones, and this one will do the job. It is 1000 watt. I'll just put it here for now. We are going to need, of course, cable for electricity. Let me just put it here. We are going to need motherboard. I just brought this motherboard yesterday from my friend's home. And CPU, we are going to use this Celeron G3900. We are going to use this Kingston SSD 120 gigabyte. We will need some RAM, 4 gigabyte DDR4, and I think that's it. Okay, let's just bring this over to the table. And of course, we are going to need this case. I brought this case from my friend's home. He's building them. Those are really good, strong, solid cases. This is a big one for 12 GPU. I wanted to bring a smaller one, but it was not available at the moment. So this one will just do the job. Okay, I want to prepare all those cables, power meter, this temperature meter, internet cable. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, I prepared PDU, power meter, some cables. This is monitor cable, internet cable, keyboard, mouse, and this temperature meter. I think this one needs some time to start showing proper numbers. I just want to go real fast, guys, in order for this video not to be too long. Let me just switch to a different camera. Okay, for our test bed we'll need a motherboard. This is Gigabyte H110 D3A motherboard. I have used Gigabyte motherboards a lot, and I haven't had any real problems with them, so I'm very satisfied with these motherboards. Let me just quickly unpack this. As I said, I want to go real quick because I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, this is our motherboard. We'll just put it here. First thing, we want to attach a CPU to the motherboard. Okay. We want to be careful here, not to break anything. So for CPU, we'll use this Celeron G3900. This is a very cheap processor, but for mining you don't need anything more expensive, except if you want to CPU mine, which I don't. I just want to GPU mine. So this is our processor, and this is cooler for the processor. So I attached the CPU and the cooler, RAM, I connected SSD, I connected PSU to the motherboard, also CPU cable, and basically that's it. Let me connect now the power cables and try to start the machine. Okay guys, I've attached PSU power cable into our power meter. I have attached monitor cable, internet cable I haven't attached yet. I want to do this later on after Windows and GPU driver installation. And I have also attached this power button and nano receiver in here for our mouse and keyboard. So that's it now. I think we can try to start computer. Let's see. Okay, CPU fan is moving. This is a good sign. Let's see. Oh, we have a picture on the screen. We are in BIOS now. So, okay, our mouse is working. We need to set up our BIOS. Really, the only thing we need to do, we need to change this mining mode into enabled, and we need to change chipset internal graphics. Well, actually we don't need to change this, and that's it. The only thing we need to do is we need to enable mining mode. So this is very easy with gigabyte motherboards, as you can see, and then we can proceed to Windows installation. Let me just put this USB in the motherboard. On this USB I have Windows 10 and I want to install it. So let's just save and exit setup, and we want to go straight back into BIOS. And we want to boot in UEFI mode our USB. This will trigger our Windows installation, and that's basically what we need to install to get in Windows, and then our test rig is complete. So let's just install Windows. Give me a moment. Okay, I want to choose my country, which is Slovenia. Just one moment. Slovenia. Next. Install now. Okay, it is very important not to have internet cable attached, because if you have internet cable attached, Windows will automatically install all the updates, which you don't want. So how can I go back? Oh, here. Okay. Oh, god damn it. I forgot to attach. Oh, sorry guys. Give me one moment. I have to shut down computer. Let me shut down computer. I didn't attach power cable to the SSD. Sorry guys, give me 1 sec, I'll be right back. Guys, I did forget to connect this SATA power connector to the SSD. So of course SSD was not working and I was not able to install Windows. This is connector like this. I hope you can see. Okay, I already installed Windows now, and that's basically it. Our test bed is ready. The only thing I want to show you is just few basic steps that I take whenever I install fresh copy of Windows. First, I disable Windows updates, and I do all of this before I connect internet cable. So this is stopped and you need to disable it here. Even though you just disabled it, these updates will automatically turn on after some time. And this is really annoying, but you have to turn it off over and over again. This is first thing. Next thing is virtual memory. So you need to write this PC properties, advanced system settings, advanced, change, and custom size. Usually I put something like 1600 to, just to be sure, let's say 84K. This is to be safe. And you need to press set. Okay, that's it. And the last thing I do, I go to control panel, here, system and security, power options. I go to high performance, turn off the display, I put it to never, save changes, and I go to change advanced power settings, turn off hard disk after, I put here never, apply. Okay, and that's basically it. Now you need to restart for all these changes to make effect, and that's it. Okay, so our test bed is over. I'm really looking forward to put some GPU in it and do some magic. This was a very long video, I'm very sorry guys, but that's it. Stay tuned for more videos from Black Hawk Mining. Cheers!